Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise 4.2. First I recall Thales theorem, angle bisector theorem and Pythagoras theorem. First one, Thales theorem, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Other ratio form is AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. இந்த ஃபார்மேட்லேயும் தேல்ஸ் தேரத்தை எழுதலாம். தேல்ஸ் தேரத்தில் DE parallel to BCங்கிற கான்செப்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by ECன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். அதே சேம் கான்செப்ட் கான்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தேல்ஸ் தேரத்தில் AD divided by DB ஓட வேல்யூவும் AE divided by ECயோட வேல்யூவும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும். அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி DE parallel to BCன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். இதுதான் கான்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தேல்ஸ் தேரம். தென் கரஸ்பாண்டிங் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல். தென் ஆங்கிள் பைசெக்டார் தியரம், AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. And Pythagoras theorem, BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared. Angle bisector theorem na AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC ன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். அதே கான்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆங்கிள் பைசெக்டார் தியரம் என்னன்னா AD is the angle bisector of angle A. அப்படின்னா AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடும் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் AD is the bisector of angle Aன்னு ப்ரூவ் ஆகிடும். செவன்த் ஒன், இன் ஃபிகர் DE parallel to BC and CD parallel to EF. Prove that AD squared is equal to AB into AF. Solution, in the figure DE parallel to BC and CD parallel to EF. In a triangle ACD, CD parallel to EF. By BPT, AF divided by AD is equal to AE divided by AC. That is equation number 1. And also in a triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. By BPT, AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. That is equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2ல ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு சேமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடை ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தேர்ஃபார் ஃப்ரம் 1 and 2 AF divided by AD is equal to AD divided by AB. Then AB shift to left hand side and AD shift to right hand side. We get AD into AD is equal to AF into AB. Therefore AD squared is equal to AF into AB. Hence it is proved. Eighth one, in triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A meeting side BC at D. If AB is equal to 10 cm, AC is equal to 14 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm. Find BD and DC. Given AB is equal to 10 cm, AC is equal to 14 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm. Let BD is equal to X cm. DC is equal to BC minus BD. That is 6 minus X. In a triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A. By APT, AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. That is 10 divided by 14 is equal to X divided by 6 minus X. Here simplify 2 table. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. 5 divided by 7 is equal to X divided by 6 minus X. 6 minus x shift to left hand side and 7 shift to right hand side. 5 into 6 minus x is equal to 7x. Then 5 into 6, 30. Then 5 into minus x minus 5x is equal to 7x. Then minus 5x shift to right hand side, we get 30 is equal to 7x plus 5x. Therefore 12x is equal to 30. X in the same place, 12 shift to right hand side. X is equal to 30 divided by 12. Then 5 6 are 30. Then 2 6 are 12. Then x is equal to 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Therefore x is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Here BD is equal to 2.5 centimeter and DC is equal to 6 minus x, that is equal to 6 minus 2.5. We get DC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Ninth one, check whether AD is bisector of angle A of the triangle ABC in each of the following. First subdivision, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, comma, AC is equal to 10 centimeter, comma, BD is equal to 1.5 centimeter and CD is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Second subdivision, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, comma, AC is equal to 6 centimeter, comma, BD is equal to 1.6 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. ADங்கிறது angle A ஓட பைசெக்டரான்னு செக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஏபிடியை யூஸ் பண்ணி லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு ஏபி டிவைடட் பை ஏசியும் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு பிடி டிவைடட் பை டிசியும் ஈக்குவல் வேல்யூ வந்தால் ஏடி இஸ் த பைசெக்டர் ஆஃப் ஆங்கிள் ஏ. அன்ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னா ஏடி இஸ் நாட் அ பைசெக்டர் ஆஃப் ஆங்கிள் ஏ. ரைட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்டிவிஷன் ஏபி டிவைடட் பை ஏசி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 divided by 10. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 1 divided by 2. Right hand side BD divided by DC is equal to 1.5 divided by 3.5. Multiply 10 on numerator and denominator, we get 15 divided by 35. Then 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35, that is equal to 3 divided by 7. Therefore AB divided by AC not equal to BD divided by DC. Hence AD is not the bisector of angle A. Second subdivision, given AB is equal to 4 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm, then BD is equal to 1.6 cm and DC is equal to 2.4 cm. By APT, AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. Here AB divided by AC is equal to 4 divided by 6. Here cancelling 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 2 divided by 3. Then right hand side BD divided by DC, that is equal to 1.6 divided by 2.4. Here multiply 10 on numerator and denominator, then 1.6 into 10 divided by 2.4 into 10, that is equal to 16 divided by 24. 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Therefore AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. By converse of ABD, AD is the bisector of angle A. 10th one, in the figure angle QPR is equal to 90 degree, comma PS is its bisector if ST perpendicular to PR. Prove that ST into PQ plus PR is equal to PQ into PR. இங்கே நம்ம ஆங்கிள் பைசெக்டார் தேர்த்தையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், தேல்ஸ் தேர்த்தையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இது ரெண்டையும் பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கிவன் ஆங்கிள் QPR is equal to 90 degree and PS is the bisector of angle A, ST perpendicular to PR. PS is the bisector of the angle P. According to the angle bisector theorem, PQ divided by PR is equal to QS divided by SR. Adding 1 on either side, PQ divided by PR plus 1 is equal to QS divided by SR plus 1. Here using cross multiplication, PQ by PR plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to QS divided by SR plus 1 divided by 1. Then PQ into 1 PQ plus PR into 1 PR divided by PR into 1 PR is equal to QS into 1 QS plus SR into 1 SR divided by SR into 1 SR, or PQ plus PR divided by PR is equal to QR divided by SR, since QS plus SR is equal to QR. We know the Thales theorem, DE parallel to BC, then AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC, and also AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. இது இல்லாமல் இன்னொரு மெத்தடில் எழுதலாம். DE divided by BC is equal to AE divided by AC, and also DE divided by BC is equal to AD divided by AB. If ST perpendicular to PR, then ST parallel to PQ. Applying BPT on the triangle PQR, ST divided by PQ is equal to SR divided by QR, or PQ divided by ST is equal to QR divided by SR. That is reciprocal of ST divided by PQ is equal to SR divided by QR. That is equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, right hand sides are equal. That is QR divided by SR, and also second equation QR divided by SR. Therefore PQ plus PR divided by PR is equal to PQ divided by ST, or ST shift to left hand side and PR shift to right hand side. We get ST into PQ plus PR is equal to PQ into PR. Hence it is proved. 11th one, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD. The bisector of angle BAC and angle CAD intersect the sides BC and CD at the points E and F respectively. Prove that EF parallel to BD. First we should take the triangle ACD. AF is the angle bisector. By ABD, AD divided by AC is equal to DF divided by FC. ஃபஸ்ட்டு எந்த சைடு எடுக்கிறோமோ அந்த சைடினுடைய என் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து தான் செகண்ட் ரேஷியோ எடுக்கணும். தட் மீன்ஸ் ஏடிங்கிற சைடில் ஃபஸ்ட் எடுத்ததுனால ஏடி டிவைடட் பை ஏசி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டிஎஃப் தான் ஃபஸ்ட் எடுக்கணும். எஃப்சியை ஃபஸ்ட் எடுத்துடக்கூடாது. ஸோ டிஎஃப் divided by FC, that is right hand side. So AD divided by AC is equal to DF divided by FC, that is equation number 1. In a triangle ABC, AE is the angle bisector of angle BAC. By angle bisector theorem, AB divided by AC is equal to BE divided by EC implies AD divided by AC is equal to BE divided by EC. Given AB is equal to AD, so AD divided by AC is equal to BE divided by EC. That is equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2 la AD divided by AC ங்கிற ratio form ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடை ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃப்ரம் 1 and 2 BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC. சைடில் இருக்கிற டயக்ராம் வச்சு உனக்கு ஈஸியாக ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணோன்னா BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FCயை ரெசிப்ரோக்கில் எடுத்திங்கன்னா ஈஸியாக புரியும். EC divided by BE is equal to DF divided by FC. So EF parallel to BD by converse of BPT. By converse of BPT, EF parallel to BD. Hence it is proved.